Hey guys, here's a little video about how I set up my Cricut maker to cut this hoop wreath. I've already designed and placed the wording where I wanted within the hoop. So I'm going to go ahead and click up here, make it. And now I'm going to come over here to mirror and I'm going to make sure that is turned on. And the reason we do that is if there's any excess chipping or shredding of the chipboard, it'll show up on the back of your project and not on the front. So now that that is done, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click continue. And then I'm going to come up and select my maker. And now under set material, you have browse all materials. And under artboard, I'm going to come down to heavy chipboard 2.0 millimeter. And you notice it's got the Cricut C next to it. That means this heavy chipboard is a Cricut product, and the machine already adjusts for the pressure of that Cricut product. And then I'm going to come here and click done. And now we're here where it says material set to heavy chipboard 2.0. And then it tells you, there's a warning, to move your star wheels all the way to the right. And to make sure that your material is set to no wider than 11 inches and it's secured to a strong grip mat using masking tape on all four sides. And load tools, you have your knife blade. Those need to be moved all the way to the right as far as possible. And the reason we're moving them is to allow for the thickness of the chipboard to be able to roll underneath this piece here without getting caught on the star wheels. Bows and arrows hoop wreath. It's at 4% right now. The maker has not even calculated how many passes or how long this is going to take to cut. We shall see. Okay, as you can see, I've already started to pull away some of the chipboard just to make sure that we got a clean cut. And it looks like it's pretty good. And this is where you're going to get a message from Design Space asking you to check your cut, and if it needs to be cut again, you're going to select cut more and you'll push this button here. But we're looking good, so I'm going to go ahead and release my mat. And I'm going to begin pulling away all this painter's tape. Alrighty, so I've peeled off most of this painter's tape from my mat, and you'll notice that I'm using the standard grip green mat. It was a brand new mat when I used it for this project. I am out of the purple strong grip mat, so I improvised. This is the first time using this standard grip mat, so we'll see. And I just wanted to show you this Cricut chipboard is 11 by 11. And you can see on this design how it cut right up to the very edge. This is a 10.65 inch design. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start removing this chipboard. And when you're removing this painter's tape from your project, just make sure to pull it back really slow as to try and not pull up any of the chipboard. I'm going to bend up all of my edges. Since this is a brand new mat, it is it's doing its job. It's sticking really hard. So I'm going to go ahead and try and remove this inner piece first. All right, so now that all my excess pieces are out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the mat over and I'm going to gently roll my mat away from my project. That's what the mat looks like after one cut with the Cricut Maker and the knife blade.